Tired of manually copying and pasting lead information from LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Today, we're going to show you how to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, making your lead generation process efficient, integrated, and ready to convert. First, make sure you have a Sales Navigator account. You will need a paid subscription to access the lead export feature. Once you're logged in, start by conducting your lead search using Sales Navigator's advanced filters, or find your search based on industry, location, keywords, and other relevant criteria to pinpoint your ideal prospects. After your search, carefully review the list of leads. Select the leads you want to export by checking the box next to their names. You can select individual leads or select all leads on the current page. Now, click on the Select drop-down menu located above the list of leads. In that drop-down menu, find and click on the Export Leads option. A pop-up window will appear, giving you options for the file type you wish to download. Choose your preferred file format, either CSV or Excel. CSV is generally recommended for larger datasets and compatibility with most CRMs. After you've selected your file type, confirm your choice and click the Export button. Your file will automatically download. Open the file to review your leads data. Voila! Your leads are now ready to be imported into your CRM or use in your sales campaigns. Streamline your workflow, save time, and focus on what matters most: connecting with your potential customers and closing deals. Don't forget to subscribe for more Sales Navigator tips and tricks.